Hi everyone, this is Sakshi and welcome back to my channel Studio by EduScots. Today we are discussing a crucial upgrade for your interactive flat panels. That is OPS, Open Pluggable Specification. Interactive flat panels are a fantastic tools, but many come with an onboard Android OS. While useful initially, this OS can quickly become outdated and may not provide enough power for more demanding applications. That's where OPS comes in. By integrating an OPS module, you can upgrade your panel to the latest Windows OS, giving it a significant boost in speed and functionality. With OPS, your panel becomes more powerful and versatile. You can run more complex applications smoothly and keep your technology up to date with ease. Just imagine transforming your classroom with more interactive and engaging lessons. OPS makes this possible by enhancing the performance of your digital board. In the corporate world, OPS helps create more efficient and productive meetings, making collaboration easier. One of the best things about OPS is that it's easy to install. Let me show you how simple it is. Step number 1. Locate the slot on the back panel of your interactive flat panel. You will find a dedicated slot for the OPS module. Step number 2. Insert the module. Simply plug the OPS module into the slot. The design ensures it's perfectly without any additional tools or adjustments. Step number 3. Power up. The OPS module will integrate seamlessly, upgrading your system instantly. And if you are looking for a reliable and cost-effective option, check out AIVOF's OPS modules. Our modules features the latest technology with an i5 12th generation processor and 256 GB SSD. This will significantly improve the performance of your interactive flat panel, making even older panels faster and more efficient. From education to corporate to retail, OPS modules make interactive flat panels more powerful and ensure they meet the demands of modern users. So if you want to make your interactive flat panels faster, smarter, and more efficient, consider adding an OPS module. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech insights.